Instagram may display an error occurred message for several reasons, often leaving users frustrated and puzzled. One common cause is server issues. When Instagram's servers are overloaded or undergoing maintenance, the app struggles to function properly, leading to these error messages. Additionally, connectivity problems can play a significant role. If your internet connection is unstable or weak, the app may fail to load content or perform actions, triggering an error. Another possibility is a glitch in the app itself, which can occur after updates or changes to the platform. Furthermore, if your account has been flagged for suspicious activity or violates community guidelines, Instagram may restrict access, resulting in error notifications. To resolve these issues, users can try restarting the app, checking their internet connection, or updating the app to the latest version. Understanding these potential reasons can help users navigate the frustrating moments of encountering errors on Instagram. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.